On April 20, 10:30 a.m. in Japan, Yuta Watanabe did an Instagram live, and he talked about what happened to him in this season. According to the live, he mentioned he will not play in NBA in 24-25 season, and he's going back to Japan, and he will play in B League. During his second game since he came to Memphis versus Pelicans, his performance looked well, and Yuta himself thought that he's getting better. However, before the next game begins, his coach told Yuta, you will not have time to play in next game. Yuta has been playing in NBA for 6 years, so it sounds usual for him. But this time, what the coach told him was critically heartbreaking. He got so frustrated after the game that made his mind not to play NBA in next season. Since he decided what he'll do in next season, on court he couldn't move as he imagined. Besides, his wrist got injured, so Yuta told coaches that his mentality had any problems. According to Yuta Watanabe, he was going to stay in NBA in his 20s, whatever happened to him. As we saw, he made it. He thought that triggered killing his concentration. As a detail of personal reason, staff in Memphis took care about Yuta Watanabe so much. Although he didn't accompany with Memphis Grizzlies in a Memphis away game, he kept working out. That means he's going to be back on basketball court soon. He's 99% sure that he's going to play in B League in Japan. He's ready for Olympic Games in Paris. It means he will not retire his basketball career. We should remember that. On Q&A part, he answered he doesn't have any plan to play in Euro League. This is according to him, he's not confident to settle in Europe with learning new language. And now Japan is the best place and environment for him to restart his career as a basketball player first. Thanks for coming. On this channel, I talk about clothing and sometimes basketball. Please check my other posts. Thank you.